Hello friends, this is a wireless robotic car which is controlled by the accelerometer sensor. And now the good point in this car is that you don't have to press any switch or anything to make it move on, and it is also wireless. Now how it is working, this is the receiver section or the robot which is connected with the 12-volt battery, and this is the wireless receiving section, and this is the motor controller section, and these are the two motors which are connected here. Now this is my transmitter plus the controller section. This is the ADC which is receiving the data from this accelerometer sensor, and this is the controller section which is receiving the final data, and it is processing and sending through this IC and this wireless transmitter to this receiver. Now what happening here is when I switch on this supply, there is no movement because it is connected via this transmitter. If I switch it on, you will see that there is an indication that both these two things are connected. Now how the movement will be done, if I'll bend it towards the forward, the car will start moving, and backward it will come backward. And in the same way, if I want to move left, bend it this side, to right, bend it this side, and if I want to move back, I can come through this. Again left and right and back and again back. This is all about my project. Thank you.